Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, represent of earth and home. So in this chapter I will tell you about the surface of the earth, surroundings, its shape and movement. So let's warm up first. As you know that the earth is the only planet light is light supporting. We live on the earth, millions of other human beings, animals and plants also live on this earth. So earth kya hai? It's our home, and surface of the earth, land and water are the two parts of the surface of the earth. There is more water on the surface of the earth than the land. A pond, a park or a house occupies a small part of land. Our villages and towns are built on the bigger land, and the place where land and sea meet to some coast capital. What are surroundings of the earth? We all other living beings, plants, animals, they need air to live. The earth is surrounded by air. The surrounding air is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is that part of the earth. This atmosphere acts as a blanket for the earth and it's protect us from the direct rays of the sun. We have different types of gases which are important for survival. Land, water and air are the essential for life. Next is shape of the earth is like orange. Long ago, people thought it was flat. They believed that by traveling in one direction, they would reach the other end of the earth and they would fall into space. Both Aristotle and Pythagoras, they on the basis of curved shadow of it cast during lunar eclipse, उन्होंने argue करा कि अर्थ कैसा sphere है. 2000 year later, Sir Isaac Newton suggested that the earth was not perfect sphere. It is rather flattened in shape. But in 1519, some brave sailors started a long journey and they kept on sailing in one direction and did not take any backward turn. After about 3 years, they leave the same place from where they have started. This is possible only when the earth is round in shape. In 1961, we have Yuri Gagarin of Russia went around the earth in the spacecraft. He saw the earth was round from the space, and in 1619, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin reached the moon in the spacecraft. They saw the all earth from the moon, and what they also took its photograph, and the photograph proved that earth is round. Earth कैसा है? Shape में round है. Then we have formation of the earth. It happened about 4,600 million ago. A part of the gas surrounding the sun began to change, and it formed the ball of matter that is earth. And it is believed that जो earth है वो कैसा है? First molten ball है, right? And we call it crust, which is the top layer of the earth. It is the surface of the earth we live on. We have houses, playground, all this. Natural forests on land, wild creatures all live here. Right? You can see over here. This is inner core. This is outer core. This orange part is your mantle and this brown part is your crust. Right? So, here the fun zone given, you have to do yourself this fun zone. Now movements of the earth are two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Rotation, there's changes in day and night and we take 24 hours to complete one rotation. If we talk about revolution, there is a changes in the season, right? And it takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution, right? And your earth rotates from west to east. Now save the earth. As you know, earth is our home. We need to protect it because it is in great danger. Why? Because people are exploiting natural resources. To save our earth, what we should do? We should plant more and more trees, and trees keeps our environment clean and fresh. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.